Guys, today I'll be showing a demo of an app I made called RandomHub. It's basically a random generator app which contains a bunch of random generator tools. So I'll be just opening the app now. So this is my app, a RandomHub. So this is the home page of my app, and as you can see there are a bunch of random tools. Don't worry, I'll be walking you through all of them. So first I'll be showing you the number generator. So this is the number generator, and as you can see it's basically a number generator where you can select the range of numbers. It has a from number and a to number, which basically is the starting and the ending number. So what it does is, if I want to generate a number, you can select the range at first. If I want a number from 69 to say let's say just 229 to 621. So after setting the range, you can see there's a small description that press generate to generate a number. So if I press generate, it generates a number between 229 and 621, and hit generate again, it generates another number in the same range. If you want to change the range, you can either move the slider, either of the sliders, and you can press generate and you will get a number in between the new range. You can initialize the app again by pressing start again, and you can generate any other number if you want, and by pressing generate. So I'm just going to keep it like that and move on. So that's all about the number generator. Coming to the letter generator, it's basically alphabet generator. So we have two categories of alphabets: small letters and capital letters. So we have a toggle button which toggles between small and capital letters. So I'm just going to generate a capital letter first. So I'm going to toggle it to capital letter and then press generate. See, I have a capital letter. I press generate again and I get another capital letter V. You can hit generate as many times as you want. So I'm just going to go and generate a small letter next. As you can see, it just initializes when I just toggle it, and then I hit generate, I get small letters. See? Now start again. It's basically the same function as in the number generator. It's basically the same function in all generators, to initialize that. So if I press start again, it just goes to the initial state saying press generate to generate a letter. Instead of generate a number, of course it is letter here. So if I hit generate again, I get the letter L, J, etc. So that's all about letter generator. Now moving on to dice roll. So here I have a similar UI for single and double. Basically rolls a single die or a double, two dice at a time. So I'm just gonna make the mode into single and roll it. So I get a single roll die. So as you can see, it just uses a single dice to roll out the numbers from 1 to 6, because a die only contains numbers from 1 to 6. If I hit if I make it double, then as you can see I have 2 dice, so I'll get a total of adding up, I'll get 1 to 12. So if I roll, I get 4, 4, 8. Another roll, again 8 I got. So it just rolls the dice at random. So that's all about dice roll. Next, coming to rock, paper, scissors. It's basically a game we have all played in our childhood. It's also known by the name stone, paper, scissors points. So you can just select any player. Like either you can play with your friends or you can play with your phone itself. Like you can select who you are, if you want to be player 1 or player 2. So I'm just going to roll it and see. I'm going to be let's say player 1. I'm just going to roll. So I got 1 point because player 1 is on the left and player 2 is on the right. And if I roll, I get again a point because I rolled rock and my computer rolled, my phone rolled scissors again. See, I'm getting points. Now I'm getting points, and now my phone has got points. So I just going to roll and roll till I win someone, me or the foe, either of us win. Oh, I lost the game and my fort has won, so it says player 2 won and I'm just having 9 points, 1 more point to win. So I can just press on restart to play again, and it just initializes the whole thing and we can start over by pressing roll. So that's all about rock paper scissors. Next, coming to yes or no. It's basically a question answer session. Like, we can ask anything, everything under the universe, which has a yes, no, or maybe as an answer. So I'm just gonna ask some random question and show you how it works. So I'm gonna ask, let's say, what should I ask? Okay, I'll just ask if I'm wearing red. Hey, am I wearing red? Yeah, it says maybe. The phone thinks that I may be wearing red. Let's ask something else. Do I have long hair? No. Okay, I'll ask something else again so that it comes to a yes answer. I am 20. Maybe. Again, it's maybe. Maybe. It's just giving me maybe. Yeah, here we have a yes. You can just see how it smiles. It's a smiley. You can just initialize the whole thing by pressing start again. It's basically the same function all over the app. So it just initializes the whole thing. So that's all about question answer, that is yes or no. Then we have a coin toss. Here we can toss a coin. If you don't have a coin at hand, you can use the app to toss it. Same case with the dice roll. So if you don't have a dice, you can roll with my app. So I'm just gonna toss it. I got a head on the first toss, tail on the second, tail again, head, and so you can just toss it any number of times. Then we have a color generator. So this is my favorite part because it has like this percentage indicators of red, green and blue, how much of those are contained in the color. So I just tap on it, it will show the percentage of colors involved in making the entire color. Just tap again. So it basically looks like a stress relieving app for me. I mean, this color thing is particularly stress relieving for me. Like, you can see the way the indicators go. See? So that's all about color. Then we have our password generator as our final tool. So here we have a password generator. You can just select the length of the password. Don't worry, it's basically a really strong password. But you will have a hard time remembering it. So just pressing generate and it generates an 8 character password. If I want to have a 17 character password, I can press on 17 and hit generate, and it will generate a 17 character password. Pretty easy to remember, huh? Then I'll press on some random number like 10 and I'll just press generate. I'll get a 10 character password. So as usual, start again just to initialize the app. So that's all about password generator. This is my app and you can just get it on Google Play Store. I'll place the link in the description given below. Do subscribe and like our channel, and also just give some reviews and ratings on Play Store, as this is my first app in it. So just play around with it and do some quite cool stuff. So that's all for today. Thank you.